Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Looking for the best battery chainsaw? Here are 5 DeWALT battery chainsaws. First, the DeWALT DCMCS574N-XJ, a powerful FlexVolt battery chainsaw with a 45 cm bar and brushless motor. Next, the DeWALT DCMCS635N-XJ, a compact upper handle battery chainsaw with a 35 cm XR bar and brushless motor. The DeWALT DCMCS565N-XJ is an 18V battery chainsaw with a 30 cm bar and chain. It is ideal for wood cutting up to 25 cm. For pruning, choose the DeWALT DCMPS570N-XJ. This 18V XR battery pruning chainsaw has a 20 cm bar and automatic oiler. Finally, the DeWALT DCMCS575X1QW, a FlexVolt battery chainsaw with a 50 cm bar, brushless motor, and 3,000 watts of power.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.